to a hedgehog. While youthful poets through the grove chaunt saft their canny lays of love, and other skill exert to move the darling object, I choose, as ye may shortly prove, a rougher subject. What sares to bother us in sonnet, but chin and cheek and brew and bonnet, just churling like a widowed linnet through bushes lurching. Love stangs are ill to thole, I own it, but to my hurchin. Thou grimmest far o' gruesome tykes, grubbing thy food by thorny dykes, good faith, thou does no want for pikes, baith sharp and rockle. Thou looks, Lord save us, arrayed in spikes, a creeping heckle. Some say thou'rt sibkin to the sow, but sibber to the deal I try. And what thy use can be, there's few that can explain, but Nathan, as the learned alloo, was made in vain. Sure Nick begat thee at the first, on some old whin or thorn accurst, and some horn-fingered harpy nursed the ugly urchin. Then bells he, laughing, like to burst, first cad thee hurchin. Folk tell who thou, sae far frae daft, where wind-fanned flute lies scattered saft, will row thyself with cunning craft, and bear awa upon thy back what sares thee aft a day or twa. But whether this I couldn't be true is mair than I will hear avow. If that thou stribs the outler coo, as some assert, a pretty milkmaid I alloo, forsooth thou art. I've heard the superstitious say, to meet thee on your morning way, portend some dire misluck that day, some black mischance. Sick fools, howe'er, are far astray frae common sense. Richt mony a hurchin I hae seen, at early morn and eke at e'en, baith setting aff, and one I've been returning hame. But fate, indifferent I ween, was much the same. Who lang will mortals nonsense blether, and souls to superstition tether, for witchcraft, omens, altogether are damned hodgepodge moke, that new obtain sma credit either frae us or Scotch folk. Now creep awa the way ye came, and tend your squeaking pups at hame. Gin Coley should o'erhear the same, it micht be fatal for you. Wi' a' the pikes ye claim, wi' him to battle.